If you're a nature lover, then you need to know about the real MVPs of the wild vultures. Vultures ain't just big old birds flying around, they're nature's sanitation engineers. These guys can spot a meal from miles away, cleaning up carcasses and keeping diseases at bay. Their bald heads? Perfect for staying clean while they feast. And get this, they can digest just about anything, even nasty bacteria. So next time you see one circling the sky, give them a nod. They're doing the dirty work so the rest of nature can shine. Vultures, the unsung heroes we never knew we needed.